Yo, what is up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change your email on PayPal. So it's pretty simple, but remember that to change your email you need to have access to your current email which is linked with your PayPal account. Otherwise you can't, because it's gonna send a verification code to that email to verify if it is you or not. So you need to have access to your email account which is currently connected with your PayPal account. So let me get straight to the point, shall we? But before that, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and let's move forward. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your browser, any browser you want, and you want to go to paypal.com, which is the official web page of PayPal. Alright, so you want to go to paypal.com and log in into your account. If you guys have already logged in into your account, it's going to bring you straight over here just like me. But if you guys haven't, then it's going to ask you to log in first. So after logging in, what you want to do is click on this gear icon over here. Once you click on this gear icon, on this email section you can see this plus icon, right? You can click on this plus icon and you want to add another email. Once you add a new email, there should be a minus button over here just like this. But since I haven't added a secondary email, the minus button will not apply to it. You have to add an email first, then only you can remove your old email. Alright, so let me just add another email over here. I'm basically done. My email is confirmed just like this. Let me go to my setting. Now there's two email. Alright, now I can remove this primary one over here. So what you want to do is, after adding a secondary email, you want to click on update and make this the primary email for receiving notification, and you want to click on change email. Wait for some time, and after it is changed, you can remove your older email just by clicking on this remove button, and it will be done. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can change your email on PayPal. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.